Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2001 Ford Focus, and I want to show you how to do a left front mirror. It's going to be a very easy job, and I want to be the guy that shows you how to do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1AAuto.com. Thanks. Okay friends, so what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove this little panel right here. It has an electrical connector behind there, so when you do pop it off, just make sure you don't go too far. You don't need to pull it all the way out, because, okay? We should actually probably, really quick, just make sure we're getting power. Okay, so we know that it gets power. When we install our new mirror, we want to make sure that it works again, obviously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this, I'm going to try to pull out this way and then towards the front, because right here, there's like little hooks that go this way, and this one right about here has a hook that goes straight in. So I'm going to grab here, pull out, and over. There we are. I can show you what I'm talking about. This presses into here, and then we got these little, grabbers right on there. Okay? I'll try to set this aside. Right here's our electrical connector. Just gonna use a pocket screwdriver, or you can use your finger. Just squeeze right there. Let's see if I can do it. Just push in, and then try to push that to separate it. Okay, this connector right here is part of your mirror. It's gonna go right, so just push that rubber in. That's gonna be ready to go. Okay, so right over here, we have a Torx Bit 20. This is what they look like. It's almost like a little star. Right in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. Show you what it looks like. So that's the head. That's the length of the bolt, screw, whatever you want to call it. We'll set this stuff aside. Right on the back side of this, there's a 10mm bolt, and that holds your mirror assembly on. So once you start getting that so it's loose, you're going to want to hold your mirror so it doesn't fall down and smash, break into little pieces, anything like that. You want to make sure you dispose of it properly, of course. So I'm going to use a 10mm. Okay. Just want to make sure that I get that bolt to stay. I'm going to grab my small magnet. Remove that bolt for you. That's what it looks like. Okay, now I'm going to draw this out, just like that. Now we've removed our left front mirror assembly. Easy peasy. Okay, so on your old mirror, you're just going to grab this little rubber. It's got a little slit for you. I'll take that out, inspect it. Looks like it's in good condition. Set it aside. We'll recycle this or dispose of it properly. We'll move along. So here we are, friends, a quick product comparison for you. Over here we have our original 2001 Ford Focus mirror off the left front door. We just removed it. Over here we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. If you spin it, it comes with a brand new seal. That's always really good. You want to make sure you've got a nice seal. You don't want air and everything getting inside your door panel. The original one has it as well. Okay, we've got our wiring harnesses, both the exact same, 3-prong. Super important to make sure those match up. All the same mounting areas, right? We got our center hole for the big screw, and then this one for the little screw, big screw, little screw. As you can tell, they're both the exact same. This one's just got a little protector on it in case you were wondering what's up with that. Just a protector for shipping in case it gets dropped and won't break the ear off. They both look the exact same. Like I said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a great part to install onto the vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1AAuto.com. Thanks. So now it's time to install our brand new quality 1A Auto part. I'm just going to come around through here. I'm going to bring my wiring through this hole. going to find it when it comes out towards the door panel. Bring it right up now while I can. Here we are. We've got our little rubber grommet here. You just want to press that into the hole while your mirror is still away. It's going to make it much easier. Obviously, it would be pretty much impossible if you had the mirror up against it. There we are. And just tug on the slack at the same time as we bring the mirror in. I'm going to try to line up my holes. Right there, right there. We'll get this out of here. It did its job. Thank you. Mirror looks good still. Okay. You just want to squeeze along this top corner here just to make sure that it's in. Once it's in, you should hear it clip in a little bit, and it doesn't want to move at this point. We'll be able to let go. We'll come inside. We've got our big screw. I'm going to use a little pocket magnet, and of course my tool, just like this. I'm going to try to make it so, actually I'll try without the magnet first. I'm just going to come in, try to get my bolt lined up, hold the mirror. Okay, that's started in. I'm not going to go ahead and tighten it up yet. I want to make sure that I have the other screw started as well. Super important to make sure you have both screws started before you go ahead and tighten anything down. Okay, both screws are started now. We're clear to go ahead and tighten it down. This is just screwing into plastic, so you don't want very much pressure. So I'm going to turn this puppy right down. Not that it's the most powerful anyway, because it's for interior mostly. Okay, just put that there for now, but I'm going to check outside. Feels like I can go maybe a little bit tighter. So I'll grab my tool. I'm do it with a ratchet now. See if I can get in here. Like I said, we're just screwing into plastic here. Okay, that feels pretty great. I'm gonna screw in that center 10 millimeter. I gotta turn way down. I'll just go with the ratchet, that way there I can feel it. Get it on the bolt. Now you can wiggle the mirror around while you do this. You should feel it get nice and firm, and all of a sudden your bolt doesn't want to turn anymore. That feels great. Awesome. We're going to connect this back in. You've got your little area right here that connects into the push clip. Like that. Okay, tuck it away. I'm going to line up my little squeezy things there. Push those in. Give that a bonk. Here we are. I'll grab my key. We're going to check the function. Make sure it's on the left mirror. Looks pretty great. There we are. Easy peasy. Now you just set it so you can see where you need to see, and off you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.